Good morning students, welcome to day 3. In previous class we discussed about a type of micromolecule, that is amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು amino acids ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ರೀ protein molecule form ಆಗ್ತದ like that. We discussed about acidic amino acids, basic amino acids, nucleic that is the neutral amino acids, and then we also discussed the essential and non-essential like that. Okay, aromatic amino acids, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ alcoholic amino acids and sulfur containing amino acids like that. Okay, sulfur containing amino acid again little bit important, that is like cysteine, cysteine, all these things. Okay, now we also discussed the ionizable nature of amino acids, okay, in which the structure of amino acid changes in the solutions with different pH. That is all. The line given in NCERT, adu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the lipids. Okay, zwitter ionic structure ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗ, ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೈತಿ. That we are going to continue today. That is all. First ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ionizable property. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Here first sulfur containing amino acids. Sulfur containing amino acids. Example input. Okay, that is have sulfur. These amino acids contain sulfur. Example cysteine, cysteine. Okay, remember different amino acids these are two. These two contains, that is sulfur molecule is nalpidrid, and then due to ionizable nature of amino acids, the structure of amino acid changes in solutions with different pH. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ pH ಇರುವಂತ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಯಾವಾಗ amino acids react ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, when they are dissolved in the solutions with different pH, the structure of amino acid changes only due to which nature, which property? Ionizable property. Now ninni kuda nodiri, that is B form it was, that is zwitter ionic form. Zwitter ionic nothing but that is containing both positive and negative charge. A molecule, a neutral molecule which has both positive and negative charges, or ಇನ್ನೊಂದು the amino acid which is having both positive and negative charges on it. Such molecule is called zwitter ionic molecule. After this, we will continue with lipids. You know lipids, micromolecule and macromolecule. Micromolecule ಒಳಗ amino acid ಐತಿ, simple sugars adavri, nucleotides adava. Okay, again lipids are also micromolecules, that is based on the molecular weight, because molecular weight of lipid is less than 800 Dalton. Okay, but remember when we crush the living tissues or cells, okay, the lipids are what? It present in membranes, cell membrane, all these things. Okay, so when we crush these tissues, they form into pieces, they break into pieces and form vesicle like structure in the membrane, and these vesicles will not pass through the cheesecloth, and hangagi they retain in the retentate. Okay, but actually they are micromolecules, but they retain in the retentate along with the macromolecules. Like macromolecule yavadri, that is protein, polysaccharide, and the last one nucleic acids. Idur jote lipid kuda retentate dage irtadri, that is one. But remember lipids are not strictly, that is, macromolecules. Macromolecules, they are micromolecules because their molecular weight will not exceed 800 Dalton. Okay. Lipids, another type of micromolecule. Ninge nodiddu amino acid micromolecule only. Now today, lipids. It is nothing but these are organic compounds that are fatty acid and alcohol ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್, which are chemically composed of carbon, hydrogen and little or less oxygen. Remember, lipids are again, that is, high energy yield compounds. That is one, they release the high energy like that. Now they store energy also. These are organic compounds that are fatty acids and glycerols. Okay, which are those compounds? Fatty acids and glycerol, which are chemically composed of carbon, hydrogen and very less, that is, oxygen. Or you can write lipids, in short, in one definition, are made up of carbon, hydroxycarbon, carbon, hydrogen and less oxygen. Another important property, they are water insoluble. They are water insoluble, and due to this only they remain in the retentate. Okay, when we crush with the, that is, trichloroacetic acid solution, they remain in the retentate. That is, they are water insoluble but get dissolved in, key point in between, organic solutions or compounds like ether, benzene, like, okay, and acetone also you can write, acetone. In such solutions, that is, lipids get dissolved but they are not dissolved in the water, like. Now after this, lipids, coming to types of lipids, okay, actually these are present in the membranes. Okay, lipids are also neutral form, that is, simple lipids are also present, and then lipids are also present in the non-lipid particles. Non-lipid andre, for example, phosphate jothe present irthido, then it is called phospholipids. Lipids are also associated with protein called lipoprotein. Lipids are also associated with, that is, a carbohydrate, that is called glycolipid, like that. Okay, now listen here. Types of lipids. Types of lipids. First, listen here. First type I will write simple or neutral lipid, and second here compound lipid, conjugated anta ಹೇಳಬಹುದು ಇದಕ್ಕ, compound lipid, and third, that is लिपिड डेरिवेटिव अथवा डिराइव्ड लिपिड्स, लिपिड डेरिवेटिव और डिराइव्ड लिपिड्स. Now listen, here simple lipids or neutral lipids edukantare. The lipids nothing but formed by, okay, esters of fatty acid and glycerol. That is, simple lipids are formed by the combination of fatty acid and glycerol. In the definition also it is mentioned, that is fatty acid and glycerol. Such lipids are called neutral. Okay, idrolaga ಏನು ಬರ್ತವ್ರಿ, fatty acids and glycerol. These lipids neutral or simple lipids. Okay, now in this, here another one comes, that is simple and neutral lipids. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲ, esters of fatty acid and glycerol, and the other one, it is just lipid associated with, that is alcohols other than glycerols, that is other than glycerol. 1 minute here. First here, in the simple lipid again there are types, that is true fats. True fats. Okay, now these are what? They are the esters of fatty acid and glycerol. Glycerol. Okay, now there is nothing but second, waxes. Waxes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? Esters of fatty acid and alcohol other than glycerol. Other than glycerol, and then you know wax, that is one. Third, here it is cutine and suberin. These are again the compounds. Okay, cutine and suberin. Still NPTEL. Okay, true fats. Okay, now they are what made up of, that is fatty acid and glycerol, and then waxes. ಅದು ಎದರಲಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ದಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. Fatty acid and alcohol, but that alcohol type is not glycerol. It is different type of alcohol other than glycerol ಅಂತ ಇದೈತ್ರಿ. Then cutine and suberin. Coming to this compound lipids, first type, that is phospholipid, and second is glycolipid, and third lipolipid. Lipolipid, one by one we will see. Just ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು, phospholipid nothing but compound lipids are, here simply I will mention lipid plus non-lipid molecule. Lipid plus non-lipid molecule means lipid ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ non-lipid molecule join ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, like phosphate joined with lipid called phospholipid, glyco nothing but carbohydrate joined with lipid, then lipid, sorry, it is lipoprotein. Lipoprotein nothing but lipid associated with protein. I will write this one. And coming to this third type, in simple and NPTEL, lipid derivatives. ಇದರ example ಬರ್ತದೆ, that is sterols. Sterols, in sterol again there are types, like that is phytosterol. Phyto means plant, sterols found in plants, and then you know that is zoosterols, and third type, that is cholesterol, Cholesterol also comes under the lipid derivative part, and then arbosterol. Arbosterol. These are what? Lipid derivatives. I will write one by one here. Compound lipids ನೋಡ್ರಿ. First, phospholipids, nothing but lipids associated with phosphate called phospholipid. Okay, now these are found in the membranes. Where they are found? They are found in membranes. I will write here another point. They are found in membrane. Example, lecithin. NCR joda kottaru nodri. Lecithin is the type of phospholipid found in the membrane. Okay, that is cell membrane anta helbodu. Cell membrane actually. Okay, now next coming to glycolipid. You know, glyco means carbohydrate. Simple one. Lipids associated with what? Carbohydrates. Andre enti sugar. Carbohydrates. Coming to third type, lipoprotein. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಅಂತ. that is not again mentioned. These are also not mentioned in NCERT. ಇದೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ NCERT ಒಳಗೆ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. Glycolipid, I think you studied in the cell membrane. That is one. Okay. Plasma membrane structure da ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ. Glycolipid, glycoprotein like that. Now lipoprotein, nothing but lipids associated with protein. That is okay. So those are called what? Compound lipids, also known as conjugated lipids. Okay. Now after that, this is lipid derivative heterostyrol lipid re. Sterols ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? Phytosterol, zoosterol, cholesterol and ergosterol. And another type of lipid derivative is terpenes. Is an NP. Okay. Now after this, we will come to simple one. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay. ಇದು ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು. Actually first ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, but these are in short. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಇದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. So we will come to this one. This is lipid classification. ಈ ತರ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಜಿ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಲೈಕ್ ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್. Simple lipids. First, they are formed from fatty acid and glycerol. They are found from fatty acid and glycerol. Now, fatty acids are organic acids. Fatty acids are organic acids with hydrocarbon chain. He points in NPT definition with hydrocarbon chain ending with carboxyl group COOH. Ending with carboxyl group COH and the carboxyl group. Okay. Now examples: palmitic acid. Palmitic acid, that is, remember, have 16 carbons. 16 carbons. Okay. Another one, arachidonic. That is arachidonic acid. These names are given in NCERT also. Confuse morphometry. Arachidonic acids have 20 carbons. 20 carbons. Now coming to types of simple lipids. Types. Remember, first that is saturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acids. Definition nodri. They don't have double or triple bonds between carbons. Iro bonds irangilli. Okay, they don't have double or triple bonds. Okay, that is in their carbon. Second, unsaturated fatty acids. They have one or more bonds between carbons. Between carbons. Here are simple example barithili. Example of that is saturated fatty acid. It is what? This palmitic acid and stearic. These are the example for this one. And either the example in unsaturated fat, it is arachidonic acid. This is the example for unsaturated fat. Now listen, this fatty acids esterified means they join with the glycerol and form like structures like monoglycerides, diglycerides and triglycerides. Okay, note on one by. Now I will write here definition of glycerol. Illenagre fatty acid and glycerol ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ. ಇದು only fatty acid ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐತಿ. That is saturated, unsaturated ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay. Now glycerol, what is this? Contains 3 carbon atoms, each bearing hydroxyl group, that is OH, hydroxyl group. Now listen, fatty acids esterified with nothing but they combine with the glycerol with the ester bonds. That is nothing but esterified with glycerol and form monoglycerides non-repeating structure, that is one fatty acid combined with the glycerol. Mono means here number of fatty acid, that is one, and glycerol, glycerides is always one. With one glyceride, one fatty acid join adaga, that is monoglyceride. Mono means number of fatty acid actually here. And then di means two fatty acids combined with the glycerol, diglycerides. Rides, diglycerides, and then triglycerides. Like that, nothing but one glycerol molecule and associated by what? Three fatty acids. Like that. Now, structure of glycerol yathara bartundi nodri. CH2 H, that is OH, and CHOH, and here CH2OH. That is a simple structure for what? Glycerol. Okay. Trihydroxypropane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ. Trihydroxypropane nothing but structure of glycerol and benefit. Structure of glycerol. I will write here structure of glycerol nothing but trihydroxypropane. Now ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರಬಹುದು ಇದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್? Just here one glycerol plus one fatty acid equal to monoglycerides, then one glycerol plus two fatty acids nothing but diglycerides, and the third one glycerol plus three fatty acids nothing but triglycerides. That is a simple. Okay, now after this based on the melting points, okay, based on the melting points, fatty acids are divided into or classified into two types, that is lipids actually. Okay, based on melting points, they are means lipid are divided into two types. First, that is fats. Second, oil. This are based on melting point, their melting point. Now fats have higher melting point, and then oil have lower melting point. Actually triglycerides. Okay, that is one. Okay, now fats have what? Higher melting point, and then oil have lower melting point. Example nodri, have higher melting point and bandaga ghee, which remains solid at room temperature. Normally room temperature by ghee it becomes solid. That is called fats. Okay, saturated fat. Ghee is nothing but saturated fat. So fat vada ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is they have higher melting point. Example, ghee, which is solid at room temperature, and actually ghee comes under the which example, which type of fat? Saturated fat is an NPT. Saturated fat means it don't have the bonds in their carbons, like between their carbons. Oils have lower melting point, and hence normally ಯಾವುದು oil? Okay. Oils, again few oils are there which get again solid, but few oils which never get solid at room temperature. Oils remain liquid at room temperature. Example ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಘೀ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ in bracket, that is in NCERT also given gingerly oil. Is NPT gingerly oil. So this is about total lipids. Which lipids? Simple lipids. Now you know waxes. Okay, wax again fatty acids plus alcohol other than glycerol. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ಮೇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗ. Monoglyceride, then diglyceride, triglyceride, like that. I will show the structure here simple. For example, this is the lipid molecule, and this tail-like structure I am telling you, this is fatty acid. Simple structure it is. Even in NCERT, chemical diagram is also given. Please practice that one and observe that. Study that one. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮೂರು ಅಮಿನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕೆಳಗ ಗ್ಲೈಸಿನ್, ಅಲನೈನ್, ಸೆರಿನ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಈವನ್ ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಕ್ಸೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೈತ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್. And then if one fatty acid is attached to this one, monoglycerides, and same in case itara iddaga two glycerides, that is diglycerides, and same structure. Here what these are, what number of glycerides, fatty acids are more here, that is 3, that is called triglycerides. Triglycerides. Now you know already about compound lipids. Okay, compound lipid nothing but phospholipid. Our example only lecithin found in the cell membrane. Okay, phospholipid means phosphate joined to the lipid, and glycolipid andaga carbohydrates associated with the lipid. Lipolipid andaga lipoprotein andre enri, that is lipo for lipid and protein, lipid associated with protein. So these are the type of again compound lipids or conjugated lipids. So after this we will discuss other organic compounds which contain, that is ring like structures. Okay, benzene ring anta helbodu, called nothing but nitrogen bases. adu kuda structure niಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೈತಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಮೇಗ. double ring structure, single ring structure, one by one we will see. Nitrogen bases, very important. It is the part of our genetic material, DNA, RNA ಇದರಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, now organic compounds with ringed structures, that is okay. Now the ring may be, that is double ringed, diagram kottaridu kolaga, or single ringed. Listen here, double ringed structures are called nothing but purine, double ring structures. Okay, in purine again there are two types, adenine and guanine. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A and B ಬರೀ, adenine and guanine. And coming to second type of nitrogen base, pyrimidine. Pyrimidine nothing but single ring structure. Actually, it is benzene. Pyrimidine. Okay. Here again of three types: cytosine, thymine or thymine ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿ uracil. Okay, now listen. ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. Okay, actually it is again for you in the 12th standard in chemistry. There is again separate chapter biomolecule, same ಹೆಸರು ಐತ್ರಿ, but chemistry ಒಳಗೆ ಐತ್ರಿ. That is PUC second year or 12th standard ಒಳಗೆ chemistry ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ biomolecule chapter ಐತಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ structures detail ಐತಿ. Again these words come for your studies in the molecular base of inheritance in biology 12th standard, that is DNA chapter. Okay, now listen, adenine, guanine, these are the double ring structures, and then cytosine, thymine, uracil, these are single ring structures. Now simple ಕೆಲವೊಂದು definition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ book ಒಳಗ. Now when nitrogen base associated with N2 bases plus what? Sugar. Okay, actually what? Ribose sugar. Ribose is a pentose sugar, 5 carbon containing sugar. Ribose sugar, this combination is called nucleoside. This definition is important for 1 mark. Nucleoside and nitrogen base plus ribose sugar plus phosphate equal to nucleotide. Is ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, nucleotide. Nothing but simply you can write nucleoside plus phosphate. It gives nucleotide. ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಡೆನೈನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಗ್ವಾನೈನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಓಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೈಟೋಸಿನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಥೈಮೈನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಯುರಾಸಿಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. when combined with ribose sugar, that is called nucleoside. or ಮೂರು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್, ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್, nucleotide. or simply you can write nucleoside plus phosphate, here I wrote, is called nucleotide. Now one by one we will see. When adenine, okay, combined with, that is sugar, it is called adenosine. Now guanine, when come G for guanine, A for adenine, combined with sugar, when it is combined with sugar, called guanosine. Structure ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗ, adenine guanine ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now these are what? Purine bases. Coming to this, first, second, third, cytosine, I will write in short, C. When combined with sugar, which sugar it is? Ribose sugar, I wrote here. It is a 5 carbon containing sugar. Ribose is 5 carbon containing sugar. Glucose, fructose, there are 6 carbon containing sugar. In ribose ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 5 carbon containing sugar. Now cytosine plus sugar equal to cytosine. It is already cytosine ante ಬರ್ತದೆ. Now fourth, thymine when combined with, actually it is cytidine, and thymine when combined with sugar, it is thymidine. Now remember, these 4 bases are present in DNA. What is DNA? That is our genetic material. RNA again genetic material in viruses. DNA is genetic material in most of the organisms. whereas RNA is the genetic material few viruses like that. Both are collectively called nucleic acids, which are macromolecules. Okay, nucleic acids bande irudinga macromolecule. Now here when adenine, there is a combination of adenine and sugar and phosphate, now it is called nucleotide. Now we'll note adenine plus sugar. Adenine is one of the what? Nitrogen bases. So adenine plus sugar, nothing but it is called nucleoside, nothing but adenosine. What is adenosine? It is a nucleoside. Adenosine is example for nucleoside. These all are example for nucleoside because these are the combination of nitrogen base plus sugar. Nitrogen base plus sugar is nucleoside. Now guanine plus sugar, guanosine, it is again example for nucleoside. This question is asked in 2019 NEET exam, that is uracil ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, this one uridine. I will tell what is the uridine. Nothing but uracil plus sugar, that is nucleoside. Okay, of RNA, it comes in RNA. Now yaak barditre, these are DNA nitrogen bases. Now cytosine plus sugar called cytidine. Cytidine, CYTI. Then thymine plus sugar, thymidine. Here these words shows that there is combination of two molecules, nitrogen base plus sugar, that is one. So these are what? Nitrogen bases of DNA combined with sugar, and the names will be given like this. Now when they are combined with what? Phosphate. I told you nucleoside plus phosphate ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Nucleotide. The name will be given as adenylate acid. Adenylate acid. Acid is added here, hence the word comes adenylate acid. Now what is this? Nucleotide or nucleoside? It is nucleotide. Because every nucleoside plus phosphate is adenylic acid. After that again add here phosphate, it will be guanylic acid. Simple I can NPD. Then plus here again phosphate. Remember adenine plus sugar plus phosphate, nothing but nucleotide ಐತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Adenylic acid. Adenine plus only sugar, adenosine. Adenine plus sugar plus phosphate, ಇದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ adenylic. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು nucleoside plus phosphate, nucleotide, adenylic acid. Same here, guanosine plus phosphate. Guanosine is what? It is a nucleoside, means combination of guanine and sugar plus phosphate, guanylic acid. And then cytidilic acid means ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು? cytosine plus sugar plus phosphate, like that. Now thymidine plus phosphate, nothing but what? Thymidilic acid. Thymidilic acid. Remember, these are what? Nucleosides of DNA. Nucleosides of DNA. And you will know nucleotides of DNA. Nucleotides of DNA. These are nucleosides of DNA. Sugar plus nitrogen base. Nitrogen base plus sugar, like that. Now name the four nitrogen bases of DNA ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. What about uracil? Okay, or name the nucleosides of DNA ಅಂದಾಗ ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬರ್ತವೆ. Name the nitrogen bases of DNA: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Name the nucleosides of DNA: adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, thymidine. Name the nucleotides of DNA. Tides, nucleosides ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ. Nucleotides of DNA: adenylic acid, guanylic acid, cytidilic acid, thymidilic acid. Like that. Now coming to uracil. Uracil is found in RNA in place of thymine. RNA ಒಳಗ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. adenine is present, guanine is present, cytosine is present. Instead of thymine, uracil is present. Stay in it. I will write here separate. Uracil, okay, plus sugar equal to what? Uridine. Now what is this? Nucleoside of RNA. Uridine is nucleoside of RNA. This question is asked in 2019. Okay, 2019 that is asked, or I think 20, but mostly it is 19 NEET exam. Uracil plus sugar. Uridine is what? It is a nucleoside of RNA. Nucleoside ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. ಇದರ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? I will rub this. Uridylic acid. Uridylic acid, nothing but nucleotide of RNA. Nucleotide of RNA. So I hope you understood this difference. Okay. Now uracil plus sugar, uridine. What is uracil? Nitrogen base. Nitrogen base. Okay. Remember, DNA is a double stranded molecule. One strand ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ structure ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತದೆ? 12 strand ಬರ್ತದೆ. Adenine always purine pair with pyrimidine. Adenine pair with thymine, guanine pair with cytosine with hydrogen bonds. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, hydrogen bonds ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ two strands of DNA are held together. It provides stability. Like that, in RNA it's a single stranded molecule or hydrogen bonding ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Single strand molecule. So nucleotide ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಚೈನ್, ಪಾಲಿನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಚೈನ್. That is in RNA. So we'll write here nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA and RNA ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, because ಅದರಿಂದ DNA and RNA ತಯಾರ. Chain or polymerization of nucleotides. Chain of nucleotides form nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are of two types. I will write in short. Nucleic acids are of two types. First, that is DNA or RNA ಮೊದಲು ಬೇರೆ ನಡೀತದ. DNA and RNA. Both of these act as genetic material. Genetic material. DNA is genetic material in most of the organism. RNA is genetic material in GM in, it is what? Viruses. ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. So this is about total nitrogen bases. Adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil, thymine, all these things. DNA ಏನೇನು ಅದಾವ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇವತ್ತು DNA. RNA instead of T, U will be there. This. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. Okay, that is. So after completing lipids and nitrogen bases, okay, we will stop here and we will continue in the next class with the next topic. That is one. So I hope you understood these things. So video clear ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ we will continue with the new topic in the next class. So till then, read well. Thank you.